Good day everyone! We are Yellow Team and for this video, we will show you how to solve simple annuity in present value and regular payment.
For our first problem in solving simple annuity in present, Mr. Villanueva bought a condominium in Makati. He paid 300,000 as a down payment for it. The remaining amount is to be settled by paying 20,000 at the end of each month for 6 years. If interest is 12% compounded monthly, what is the overall total of his new condominium?
First, we should analyze the given. In this problem, the given is for our down payment, we have 300,000 and for the regular payment, we have 20,000 and for the nominal rate is 0.12 and the time is 6 and for the number of conversion payment is 12 and the number of payment is 72.
Now, for our second step is to identify what formula should we use. The formula is P equals to R, or regular payment, then 1 minus, open parenthesis, 1 plus I, close parenthesis, raised to negative n over I. Then we substitute. The value of R would be 20,000, the value of I would be 0.01, and the value of n would be negative 72, and the value of I again would be 0.01. To put that in perspective, the formula would be P equals to 20,000, 1 minus, open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.01 raised to negative 72 over 0.01. First, solve for 1 plus 0.01. 1 plus 0.01 would be 1.01. Next, we raise that by negative 72 and the answer would be 0.88496085. Next, the answer would be subtracted by 1, meaning 1 minus 0.488 would be 0.511503914. And next, we would then divide this by 0.01. And the answer would be 51.1503948. And lastly, we will multiply this by our regular payment, 20,000, and we will get our final answer, P equals to 1,023,007.83.
Now let's find the cash value. So for us to find the cash value, we need to solve the down payment plus the present value. Down payment of 300,000 plus the present value of 1,023,007.83, and the cash value would be 1,323,007.83.
Now let's proceed to problem number 2. Mr. Malapitan got a loan worth 250,000. He in the bank made a contract that he has to pay an equal amount of money every 6 months for 4 years including the interest. What should be his payment if the interest is 4% compounded semi-annually?
For our given, we have P equals 250,000, which is 250,000 pesos. T equals 4, the time, 4 years. R equals 0.04, nominal rate. M equals 2, which is the number of conversion periods. And then N, the number of payments, equals MT, which means that you have to multiply M and T. Since T is 4 and M is 2, then 2 times 4 equals 8. Then I, which is the interest rate per period, equals R over M. And since R is 0.04 and M is 2, you just divide those and you get 0.02. Now let's find out what formula we should use and how to solve it. So the formula that we're going to use is the periodic payment. R equals P over 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus I parenthesis raised to negative n over I. And then now we're going to solve it. R equals 250,000 over 1 minus parenthesis 1 plus 0.02 parenthesis raised to negative 8 over 0.02. If you complete the parentheses, then the answer would be 0.146509628. And then when you divide that number that I mentioned with 0.02, the answer would be 7.3254814. And then when you divide 250 to that number, it will be the final answer. So the final answer is R equals 34,127.449, or to round it off by 2.45.